Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate videos in any language with Invideo AI. So first of all, you have to sign in with your account. It's totally free. So once you're signed in, you have to click on your profile icon and then go to settings. Now, what you have to do, first of all, you have to turn on the beta features. Once you turn them on, you have to go to the home page once again. Now, once you're in the home page, you will see now it is changed to 4.0 beta. So then what you have to do is you can either give a detailed prompt in any language, or you can also use the given options. For instance, I want to create a short video. So fast-paced or very fast-paced. I want a video for YouTube Shorts, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. So my topic is best phones in 2025. I have an option to use only stock media, only generated clips, or generated images. I can select any option, and then I can also select any language. For instance, I can change my language to Hindi, and then I can also use some voice actors, male, female, or anything, or I can just remove any field if I want. And then I will simply click on proceed. So this is my prompt: create a fast-paced video for YouTube Shorts about best phones in 2025. Settings are use only stock media, and the language should be Hindi. You can add something if you want. I will simply click on generate my video. Now I will wait for it to complete, and then I will simply click on the continue button. Now it's creating a video, so you can also select notify when ready option. If I select that, it will ask me to turn on the notifications, and simply I will allow my notifications, allow for this site. And now once they're turned on, my browser will, or my PC will notify me with a notification once it's completed. So this is the final video. Let's watch.
दोस्तों, फोन की दुनिया में 2025 में क्या धमाल मचेगा? चलिए पता करते हैं। सबसे पहले iPhone 14 Pro Max। इसकी प्रमोशनल कैमरा क्वालिटी एकदम फिल्मी। तो कौन सा फोन आपका फेवरेट है? हमें कमेंट्स में बताएं।
So I think that was pretty impressive. As I have only tested it only in one language, you can do it in multiple language, and that's simply how you can generate videos in any language with Invideo AI. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.